Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss exercise 11.4 of NCERT. So, let's start. Students, in previous video, we discussed till exercise 11.3. Now, in this video, we will discuss about exercise 11.4 of NCERT. Clear? Now, let's start. So, in this exercise, we will discuss the question like question number 1. A is given. Acha, first I will explain some important points like if ego is given student. Okay, if ego is given, ego means you know that जैसे पहले जैसे 5 year ago. Clear student? तो 5 year ago means what? 5 year ago means you know that -5 यानी 5 year ago यानी पहले. Now after is given. After is given. After means what student? So now student, if after is given, after means जैसे after 6 year यानी you know that बाद यानी +6. Similarly before 10 year means you know that again -10. मतलब similarly if I am saying 5 year ago means -5 यानी you will understand okay 5 year ago यानी -5. After is given after 6 year यानी +6. This is only I am explaining जैसे how you will use in the question. जैसे if first question is given, first is given take Sarita's present age, take Sarita present age to be y years. Clear student? Yani the present age of Sarita is y years. Okay. Now what is given? What will be her age 5 year from now? Age 5 years from now. Clear student? अब here nothing is mentioned कि ago, after or before. Nothing is given. So you have to use your brain. अब you have to conclude how to solve this. 5 year from now. Yani if today is her age is y. This is present age. 5 year from now means if I am saying जैसे let us example today is Monday. Let us take example today is Monday. ठीक है ना? If today is Monday then what will be the day after 3 days. Clear student? If today is Monday then what will be the day after 3 days? So what you will do, you know that Monday, today is Monday. Okay, after 3 days yani you will add 3 equal to Monday plus 3, Monday with Tuesday, Wednesday and next is Thursday. Clear student? So by this you can approach for your solution. Yani now in the common question is given present age is y years. Okay, अब age 5 year from now yani after 5 year yani you know that the present age is y and after 5 year you have to find out. So what you will do? You will do +5. Clear student? I think this is clear because I explained with the help of example. Clear? Come to the next point. Next is given what was her age 3 year back. Age 3 year back. Clear student? Age 3 year back. अब 3 year back means student means before. Back you can understand before. So 3 year back means the present age. Present age is y. Clear student? अब if it is given after 3 year तो you will add +3. But here it is given 3 year back यानी पहले यानी you will add -3 यानी your answer is y -3 years. Clear student? Y -3 years. Clear students? This is also years, and this is also years. Clear? Now move to the next question. This is very easy. Third is given, Sarita's grandfather 6 times her age. What is given? Sarita's father is, Sarita's, this is grandfather. Grandfather is 6 times her age. Okay, Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. Now what is given? What is the age of her grandfather? What is the age of her grandfather? Clear student? This is the question. What is given? Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? So yesterday I explained, student, what I explained, if 2 times is given, 3 times is given, like if 2 times is given, 2 times given, so what I explained, multiply by 2. Similarly 6 times is given, student, so for 6 times you have to repeat the same process. Multiply by 6. Clear student? What is given? Sarita's father is 6 times her age. Ab you know that present age of Sarita equal to y years. You know that very well because it is mentioned in the question, and her grandfather is 6 times. Okay student, so 6 times is, you know that 2 times we multiply by 2 or 6 times, yani age of grandfather equal to 6 times Sarita's age. Clear student? Age of grandfather is 6 times Sarita's age. Clear? Now what you will do, you know that 6 times yani 6 multiply by Sarita's age, yani the age of Sarita is what? The age of Sarita, you know that y. The age of Sarita is given y. Clear? So the age of grandfather is 6y years. Clear student? Because you know that 6 times means you have to multiply by 6. Clear student? So this is 6y years. I think this is clear. Very easy. If 5 times is given, so you have to multiply by 5. Okay student? Because I clear the concept कि how you have to multiply by 6 and how you have to choose ago is given, after is given, before is given. Clear student? Now move to the next question. Now student, the next part in this question is given, part 4. It is given that grandmother is, what is given? Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Clear student? Then what is grandmother age? Then find grandmother's age. Okay student? Now again we have to use our concept. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Okay student? So अब younger means student, you know that younger yani younger means small, younger means small, and elder means greater. Clear? जैसे how you solve this? जैसे if 5 is given and 3 is given. Clear? For example, so which one is greater? You know that 5 is greater and 3 is smaller. So similarly, जैसे grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. So if I want to say जैसे x is x is younger than y. Clear student? X is younger than y. It means x will be small and y will be greater. Okay. Ab you know that if small, it means you have to use minus, and greater you have to use plus sign. Okay. Means this is plus means greater, this is minus means smaller. Yani you can write down y minus x. Okay. Why? Because x is younger than y. Yani x will be negative and y will be positive. Only I am explaining here according to the example. Now come to the question. What is given? Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Okay student. Ab younger means you have to know that you have to subtract, and elder means you have to add. So what was the age of grandfather? The age of grandfather was 6 times of Sarita age. So you know that age of grandfather equal to 6 times age of Sarita. You know that. Okay. Now age of grandmother equal to what is given? Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Younger means small. Yani you will write down 6y. Ab younger, you know that younger means minus sign, because younger means small, so you have to subtract minus 2. Okay. So this is the age of your grandmother. Clear student? If it in the question it was mentioned 2 year elder, so elder means greater. Yani you have to use plus sign. Clear student? Now come to the next question. Next question is given, question number 5. Sarita's father is what is given? Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times 5 year more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? Clear student? Now come to the question. This is the question. Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? Clear student? This is our question. So now come to the point. Sarita's father is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita age. Ab you know that first you have to solve line by line. You know that Sarita's present age. Sarita's present age equal to y years. Clear? Okay. Now Sarita's father is 5 years. 1 minute student. What is given? Sarita's father is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. First you have to here retain 3 times. Okay. So 3 times means student what? 3 times means multiply by 3. Clear student? 3 times means you know that multiply by 3. 5 times means multiply by 5. I explained it. So what is given? Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So you know that age of father. You know that age of father. Clear? Ab age of father will be equal to what? First you will write down multiply 3 times. So 3 times means 3 multiply by Sarita's present age. Clear student? 3 multiply by Sarita present age 5 years more. More means you know that what? Plus 5, because you know that na I given in the question just said 4 more than 5. 4 more than 5. So 5 plus 4 yani 9. Yani more means you have to add. Clear? So plus 5. Ab you know that 3 multiply by Sarita's present age is y years. So you know that multiply by y. And plus 5 is given. So plus 5. Yani it will become 3y plus 5 years. This is the age of Sarita's father. Clear student? So when you will follow the step, you will solve each and every question based on this. Clear, student? So this is the age of Sarita's father. Clear? Now come to the next question. Now student, come to the next question. Next question, B question is given. What is given? It is given the length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. Clear? What is the length if the breadth is b meter? What is the length if the breadth is b meter? Clear, student? Now first we have to discuss what is given in the question. Clear? Question is given the length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length of if the breadth is b meter? Yani you have to find out the equation for length, and some information is given. What is given? The breadth is given. Okay, student? Breadth is, it is given breadth equal to what? B meter. Okay. Now come on the point. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth. You know that 3 times, student, means 3 times equal to multiply by 3. Clear, student? 3 times means multiply by 3. Now 3 into breadth is given na, in which you will multiply by 3, yani breadth is given b. So 3 multiply by b, yani it will become what? 3b. Now this is not your correct solution. What is given? The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth. So 3 times its breadth is given 3b, and less is given, student, na 4 meter less. If more is given, so what we were doing? We should add. Now less is given, yani you have to subtract and what? 4. Yani this is your length. Yani you can write down length equal to 3b minus 4 meter. Clear, student? Again I am going to explain. See carefully. Breadth is given b meter. Clear? 3 times means multiply by 3. So you will multiply 3 to breadth, because the value of breadth is b given. So you will multiply by b. Now length is given what? The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times. Yani first you will multiply 3 times, you will find out. So 3 times means 3 multiply by b. So 3b is given, and 4 meter less, yani minus 4. If more is given, so you have to add. If less is given, so you have to subtract. Clear, student? Now come to the next question. Now student, come to the next question. Our next question is given, question number C. It is given a rectangular box, has height h centimeter. A rectangular box has height x centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height. Okay, student? Its length is 5 times the height, and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the height. Clear? Less than the height. Now next is given, express the length and breadth. Express the length and breadth. Express the length and breadth of the box of the box in terms of height. Clear, student? This is your question. Now again I am going to read. A rectangular box has height h centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the height. Express the length and breadth of the box in terms of height. Clear, student? Now come on the solution. Now what is given? Height of h centimeter, yani height equal to h centimeter. Okay, student? Its length is 5 times the height, yani length. First find out length equal to 5 times height. 5 times height means, student, 5 times is multiply by height. Clear? अब you know that 5 into what? H. Yani it will become 5h. This is your length. Length is 5h. Okay. Now again what is given in the question? Breadth is 10 centimeter less than height. Breadth is 10 centimeter less than height. Clear, student? 10 centimeter less than height. It means what? It means 10 centimeter less. Abhi I explained, less means you have to subtract and more means you have to add. So less yani 5h. 10 centimeter less than height na. So height is even 10 centimeter less than height. Okay, students? Here you have to mention one thing, student. Breadth is 10 centimeter less than 10 centimeter less than length. 10 centimeter less than length. Clear, student? There is some correction. Acha. Now breadth is 10 centimeter less than, here it will be length. Okay. So length is given your what? 5h or 10 centimeter less, yani minus 10. Simply minus 10 you will do, because what is given? Less. If more is given, yani you have to add. This is your expression for breadth, and in centimeter is given, so write down centimeter. Clear, student? So this is our solution of the question stepwise. Clear? Now come to our next question. So our next question is given. Next question is very easy. Question number E. Because D you will do yourself. E is given. A bus travel at v kilometer per hour. It is going from Daspur to Bispur. Okay, after the bus has traveled 5 hours, after the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 km away. Bispur is still 20 km away. What is the distance from Dispur to Bispur? What is the distance from Dispur to Bispur? And what is given? Express it using V. Express it using V. V means velocity. Velocity means speed, student. V means simply speed. Acha, what is given? A bus travel at V km per hour. Yani this is the speed. You know that speed equal to what? Distance upon time. This is the formula. Okay. a bus travel at v kilometer per hour. It is going from Dispur to Bispur after the bus has traveled 5 hours. अच्छा स्टूडेंट, अब I want to know what is the distance. I want to know distance traveled by the bus. So d equal to means d equal to distance. Distance equal to what? Distance equal to speed into time. You know that this is the basic formula I explained in previous. And again I am explaining here. Speed equal to distance upon time. Distance equal to speed into time. अब you know that distance you have to find out. So speed is given what? Speed is given v kilometer per hour. यानी speed is given v. अच्छा, okay. Time is given what? Time you know that 5 hours is given. तो multiply by 5. So it will become what? It will become distance equal to 5v. Okay. Now again what is given? This is the distance travel in 5 hours. What is given? Bispur is still 20 kilometer away. यानी a bus have to travel 20 kilometer more. यानी 20 kilometer more left. 20 kilometer more left to travel by the bus. If bus is travel 20 kilometer again, then the bus reach to the where? Bispur. Okay. So you have to find out what is the distance from Dispur to Bispur. यानी 5v. तो total distance traveled by the bus. अब 20 kilometer is more, distance is left. Then bus travel to the reach to the Bispur. So you know that distance from Dispur to Bispur equal to d equal to 5v. यानी distance travel in 5 hours and 20 kilometer left student. Okay, 20 kilometer left because if the bus travel 20 kilometer more then it will reach to the Bispur. तो यानी 20 kilometer left यानी plus 20. Okay, so this is your distance from Dispur to Bispur. Clear student? In this is what? Distance in kilometer. Clear student? So this is our solution of the question. Clear student? Now in next video we will discuss the next question. Clear student? Thank you.